Herzlich willkommen bei der QIB. Heute steht das Thema Kochtest auf dem Programm. Hier geht es darum, die Haftfestigkeit und die Vorbehandlungsqualität zu testen. Bleche werden in kochendes Wasser eingelegt und nach einer definierten Zeit auf Blasenbildung kontrolliert. Im Anschluss wird die Haftfestigkeit mittels des Gitterschnitts durchgeführt.
The boiling test is used to check the adhesive strength and pretreatment quality. Samples are placed in boiling water, and the coating is visually assessed for bubble formation after some time. The adhesive strength is tested with a crosscut test. First, bring demineralized water with a conductivity of max 10 microsiemens is brought to the boil in a suitable container or device. The samples are then placed in this water bath. Caution: there is a risk of scalding. Depending on the stress group, different holding times must be observed. After removing the samples, they are immediately visually inspected for blistering. Color changes are permissible. These must then cool for 60 minutes. After the cooling phase, a crosscut test is carried out on the cooked samples. See video crosscut test.